Feed me more. Feed. Oh, hi. Welcome back to another taste testing. We have our co-host Raja with us today. Raja. Yeah, would you like to say hi? Okay, she's done with you. Why the bushy tail? Today, we've got, don't knock the camera over. Raja, the Wonder Cat, is trying to get you to pet her internet. Yes. So she's rubbing all up against the camera tripod. Pet the kitty. Don't be so mean. Indian food. I hadn't ever really been a big fan of Indian food, but Indian friend has made several dishes to share with us, and they're delicious, and some of them I've gotten hooked on, so now I'm trying things. One of them is Trader Joe's Kitchari, a hearty traditional South Indian blend of grains, vegetables, and spices. Heated it for 1 minute, tore a corner. 1 minute in the microwave. You can boil it for a few minutes, 5 minutes, and if you're camping, you don't have to have a microwave. In an emergency, you could probably even eat it cold. It's only 210 calories for this whole thing, too. So that's and there's, what is there? There's sodium, but there's carbs, fiber, lots of fiber, and vitamins, and this might be a good camping meal. Low-calorie camping meal. If you're hiking, I know that's not nearly enough calories for what you need, but if you're a big guy, it may be more than enough. Tastes grainy. Keep trying to tear the stupid bag. There, that's better. It's not bad. It's not nearly as good as what she cooks, but the spices are, I like the spices. There's only two things I can't stand is curry and I don't like sweet potatoes, yams, candied yams. Ugh. I've had friends from India in the past. Their house permeated with curry. It dripped from the walls. Where she's from, they don't use curry at all. So that's what got me changing my, that's why I shied away from Indian food, and now I've come back to it. I've learned, just like the United States, there are variances in styles and tastes. Like good old Southern food, Yankee comfort food, Southwest Tex-Mex, Cajun, so I made the mistake of throwing it all in one bucket, and I was wrong. I really like the spice combination. Let's see, there's pearl millet, split mung beans, which are good, red pumpkin, carrot, green peas, brown rice, rolled oats, finger millet, ginger, green chili, ground spices, coriander, red chili pepper, cumin. I like cumin. And I can taste it. Fennel, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, star anise, mace, cardamom, fenugreek, mustard seed, cumin seed, lemon juice powder, garlic, turmeric, ground black pepper, dried curry leaves. It's so, the curry is so subtle and overwhelmed by everything else. I can get a little hint of it, I guess, maybe, but not enough to be an issue. It's the curry heavy dishes I have a problem with. So yeah, this is a thumbs up. A good 200 calorie lunch. Good for camping. This would definitely fit in the saddlebags of my motorcycle when I'm camping, and make a nice little meal. Yeah, I had shied away all this time for no reason. So that's what we got. If you want to see what it looks like, it looks like this. Can't even give you a closer. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.